dedicated to MPPSC mains preparation. Here we discuss about 13 polity test paper of our daily mains practice series 2019. Friends, if you want to boost your MPPSC mains preparation, you can join our mains test series. You can also purchase 35 tests and its model answers by contacting us. Contact numbers are given in the description box and comments box also. You can purchase History 100 plus 3 marker series questions at 199 only. And you can also join this daily mains practice series by contacting us. Now let's start 3 marker question. If you are new students in our YouTube channel, please subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notifications. Now let's discuss our first question is political parties. What are the political parties? You had to write here. Let's see first introduction of political party. A group of people who believed in clear common principles and ideology are political party. Political party complies with the constitutional machinery and it works to getting power through elections and running the government. Political party in India, there are 8 national political parties. You can also write here the example. You can write Bharatiya Janata Party, Indian National Congress, etc. that you want. Now let's move to our second question. The second question is representation of Madhya Pradesh in parliament. You can write here the seats allocated in parliament for Madhya Pradesh. In Rajya Sabha, India has got 11 seats and Lok Sabha seats are 29 allocated for MP. And you can also write here the presidential elections. 230 assembly members included in presidential elections. You can also write these points. Now next question is functions of election commission. Functions of election commission, you have to write here the point by point the election commission's functions. Now let's see how. Prepares electronic electoral list and issue voter ID cards and grant recognition to political parties. Model code of conduct releases in elections and supervise, directs, control the entire process of election of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, state assemblies, president and vice president's election in India. You can also write this. Next question is CBO. Now first of all, we write here the full form of CBO. CBO is community based organization. The organization that provide assistance in identifying and addressing problems of geographic or functional community called CBO, community based organizations. The objective of CBO is community development. CBO works recommendation in departments and coordination among the officers. And CBO also provide essential service to many peoples. As you can write this question. Now next question is NGO. NGO means non-governmental organization. NGOs are non-profit organizations who purpose to carry the public welfare works apart from the government. They works apart from the government and take grants from the government. NGO provide benefits to public of government schemes. They provide benefits to public of government schemes. You can also write here some examples of NGOs like Satyarthi, a NGO that founded by Kailash Satyarthi, Being Human, connected with Salman Khan. Nanhi Kali is a children foundation and Ismail Foundation also works for children. You can write these points. Now let's move the 6 marker portion. If you are newer, then please subscribe our channel. First question is major communities constituted for election reforms. Here you had to write the communities that constitute for election reforms. Now let's how. First of all, we write here a short introduction. Free and fair elections are the one of essential concept of good governance for any democratic nation. Giving importance to the election system in India, several committees were formed from time to time to improve the election system. Now let's move the main body of this question. Tarkundi Committee that formed in 1947. What are the recommendations of Tarkundi Committee gave to government? First, reduce the age of adult franchisee from 21 year to 18 year. It was made tangible by 61st Amendment of Constitution, determining the maximum amount spendable for elections. And next committee is Dinesh Goswami Committee. The recommendation of the Dinesh Goswami committees are repolling should be done at the illegally looted booths. Next one is electronic voting machines should be used for voting, and voter photo identity card should be arranged to avoid the problem of bogus voting. You can write the some recommendation of these committees. Next one is Indrajit Gupta Committee. Indrajit Gupta Committee told the expenditure of Lok Sabha and Assembly elections should be borne by the government to reduce the corruption of election. Next one is K. Santhanam Committee. K. Santhanam Committee recommended there should be a minimum qualification arrangement for the candidates appearing in the election. Next one is all political parties should register in Election Commission office. Constituencies should be determined from time to time. Many suggestions of their committees were accepted in the Indian election system, which made the election process in India more reliable and transparent. You can write the question, write the answer to this question, and this type of answer will give you maximum numbers, maximum marks to answer. Next question is role of NGOs in women empowerment. Here you had to write the role of NGOs for women empowerment. Let's see how you should write. First of all, we give here a short introduction. The participation of women in non-governmental organizations gave them an opportunity to enter the social and political shapes, which were not easily provided by the benefits and public sectors. Many NGOs working to reduce poverty among the women also advocate for women's rights. This is a short introduction. Now let's move to main body. Overall, empowerment of women is dependent on financial empowerment. NGOs are involved in the following activities to empower women. First, raising and creating awareness among women, especially among rural women. Next one is complement government effort in women empowerment. Promote the use of information and communication technology to empower women. Incorporates leadership qualities in women and ensure the participation in their empowerment. Represents the problem facing rural women and the authorities concerned and assess to impact of policy decisions affecting the women. Next one you can write gather favorite resources and plans implements project that have an impact to women's empowerment. You can also write this. Next question is what are the public participation in governments? What you understand by public participation in government? Let's see how to write. First off, a short introduction of this question. In democracy, all the people and partners in the government and source to legitimacy of governance is also the public. Now let's move to the main body of this question. Public participation channels. There are two channels of public participation in governance. First is direct participation. Second is indirectly participation. What is it? Let's see. Directly participation of public is selecting representatives by universal adult suffrage, a franchisee. Our constitution provides this rights to us. Article 326 is about universal adult suffrage. Indirect participation by strike, picket, signature campaign, etc. You can make a pressure among the political parties and government. Newspaper, television, social media, etc. Now you can write a short conclusion of this question. In this way, a sense of fraternity and cooperation is developed by participation in governance, and public friendly and welfare state is established. You can write this. Now let's move to our 15 marker question. We give here a question that 15 marker. You should have to write here. Role and problems of media. There are not defined the role of media, so you have to make there many dimensions of role of media in social, economic, political life, etc. Let's see what is the short introduction of this 15 marker question. Media is considered as the fourth pillar of democracy, along with legislature, executive and judiciary. In Indian democracy, the media is the core of democracy. Its dependent is ensured by Article 19 first A of Constitution with various information, and information is not only makes the public aware but also covers the government through criticism. The media works well to convey public opinion on various social political issues to government and analyze the decisions of government. This is a short introduction of this question. Now let's move to the main body of this question. First of all, we write here role of media in society. What is the role of media in society? Let's see. Acts as a bridge between different sections of society, power centers, individuals, and institutions. The media has contributed to making the public consciously aware, exposing corruption, logical control over power, and promotion of public interests. Media provides leadership to society in many ways. This affects the ideology and the society. Media should also present in the role of motivator so that society governments get inspiration and guidance. Media is also the protector of the interest of different sections of society. The media also plays a big role in the imbalance and balance of society through its news. Media can develop a sense of peace, harmony and constancy in society through its role. Media also plays the role of mobilizer through various social functions. At the time of earthquake, flood, or other natural or man-made disaster, public corporations serve humanity very well. You can write this points to role of media in society. Now let's move to next dimension. The next dimension is in economic sector role of media. First, to curb corruption in exposing exploits like black money, hoarding, hawala, in publishing various type of advertisement like you see in the newspapers, TV, and social media also. The next one is in the political area. What are the main role of media? To bring transparency in governance is the main very important thing of media. Information of planning, policies, etc. to reach the public. In the exposing the representative image to make democracy fair and free. To make the public aware of rights. This is the main role of media. Now let's see in the field of communication. Interaction with the people around the world through social media. The country is aware of the news to the world, entertainment in quick the publication of games. You can write here a short paragraph about this whole system. Media also contributes a lot in public awareness, whether it is a campaign to provide polio medicine to children to spread awareness about AIDS. The media has fully fulfilled with its responsibility, motivating people to vote, trying to ban child labor, and the dangers of smoking. The role of media is commendable in many functions, such as making aware of it. Media periodically keeps the citizens aware of their rights, keeping a close watch to the corrupt people in the country from time to time. Carrying out a sting operation brings the black faces of their white robes in the world. Thus, the media like a boon of us. You can write this. Now let's move to second part of this question. What are the problems of media or negative functions of media? You had to write here the negative roles of media, what they are affecting to public as well. First of all, lack of political neutrality. The media is going to support a political party that provide him a benefit economically, also other sectors. The paid news are also a big problem of media. Somebody is paid for fake news or any other schemes to public in generally. Lack of mass media, favoring big peoples and not more peoples. The lack of mass media is one of other problem of media. Source of misleading advertisement. The yellow journalism is a key point of this point. Publication of sensational news. Publication of sensational news is a key point of journalism. You can write this. TRP centered media. Object of media is now to earn money and not to become a voice of the people. Advocate some parties and government high fans. They are going to high fans of governmental to take some benefit from government. They are the some negative functions of media. You can write here. Now let's move to ending question. You can write some paragraphs about the functions and negative impacts of media. While the media has contributed to making the public consciously aware, exposing corruption, logical control over power, and promotions to public. Interest, greed, fear, malice complaints, malfeasance, and political conspiracy trend their role as also done by media. Adopting yellow journalism for personal and institutional vested interests, exploiting other by blackmail, sabotaging gossip news and twisted news. There are the other negative impact of media you can write here. This behavior of media creates a state of chaos and imbalance in society. You can write this also. Now you can also write here a short conclusion. In conclusion, we can say that the media has come in the front of us as a revolutionary changer. If some negative aspects are ignored, and media can emerge a welfare medium if we face them with awareness and understanding, because media has infinite possibility content represent the foundation stone of a civilized society. You can write this conclusion. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share this video to like a Hellcat.